Which dog are you based on your birth month? January. Rottweiler. Disciplined, ambitious, and responsible. February. Australian Shepherd. Innovative, independent, and clever. March. Basset Hound. Compassionate, intuitive, and gentle. April. German Shepherd. Bold, adventurous, and confident. May. Golden Retriever. Patient, reliable, and affectionate. June. Border Collie. Curious, adaptable, and social. July. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Caring, nurturing, and sensitive. August. Labrador Retriever. Charismatic, fun-loving, and outgoing. September. Poodle. Analytical, practical, and detail-oriented. October. Shih Tzu. Diplomatic, charming, and sociable. November. Doberman Pinscher. Intense, loyal, and determined. December. Siberian Husky. Adventurous, independent, and optimist-eye. For more videos like this and other animal content, please subscribe and like this video.